Folks, it's really deep right here. Look at that, all the way up to here. Well, I tried, folks. Snow that deep. That was a lot of work. We're stuck there. Have to pile drive my front out. Oh, how deep this is. Man. Yeah, we're in there pretty good. There's some sidewinders coming out. Alright. I think if I dig some of this snow out of my way, I should be able to get out. Alright. Yeah, she was working hard. So we're in there pretty deep. Yeah, we're piled all the way underneath. So we're packed. So them tires were spinning, chewing. It's a lot of breath. I was working it, folks. Look at that. I was working it. My pumpkin was stuck right there. Yep. Look how far down deep that is. Yeah, we're almost up to over the tail light. All right, got some digging to do. Okay. There. Thanks for watching. Oh, it's so windy out here and freezing. Take a look at the mountains before we close here. Yep. Taco stuck. All right.